1930s charmer. This truly one-of-a-kind property brings together the best of country living while still being inside the city. Less than 5 minutes after exiting I-45, you'll come home to this beautifully updated and restored 1930s farmhouse on 2 acres. The first thing you'll notice is the oversized covered front porch, the perfect place to begin or end your day. Enter the home and you will fall in love with the original wood flooring showcased in the open living and dining areas. The beautifully updated and renovated kitchen offers island workspace and storage, under cabinet lighting, and lovely cabinetry. Generously sized bedrooms mean ample space for larger furniture. Third bedroom was converted into a massive walk-in closet. Owner's suite offers extra privacy and a large ensuite bath. The acreage has a pond that is stocked with catfish. Plenty of room for horses, 4-H projects, or just a little space for you. Steel framed covered parking plus covered equipment storage.